Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to create a simple Notion dashboard with beginner-friendly functionalities. A basic Notion dashboard can be used to organize your daily life, manage work projects, or track personal goals with very easy functions. So once you get into Notion, you will have a blank page. This blank page is like a blank canvas to work with. First thing we want to do is to go on the right corner on the three dots and select the font that we like the most. There are these three types. I usually choose this one. If we want a smaller text or not, or if you want like the full width of the page or not, I usually keep it this way to have more space. And I usually select the star up here to make sure that this page is on my favorites if I want to access this page easy from the menu or not. So once I chose my preferences, I go back on the page and I start customizing it the way I like. First thing I do is choosing an icon. It can be anything. There are emojis, the classical emojis, icons, or customized ones. I like to choose whatever I like. And then we add a cover. On add cover right here, you can click change cover, and from here you either choose from the given gallery or you upload a picture or you select Unsplash. Unsplash is like a database of online pictures that are available to be used. I will choose this one just for showing purposes, and then we start creating the page. So we decide the name of the dashboard or homepage. Let's write daily. And from here, we can put all the functionalities that we need. We can start either by creating our own functionalities one by one, or you can access to existing templates on the templates section by clicking on it. There are so many free templates to choose from based on the goal that we want to do, whether it's school, work, life. They're for every type of aesthetic and purpose, even for work, there are very specialized templates. Or we can use the AI service. For example, clicking here, ask AI, I can ask, for example, create a to-do list for daily tasks. And Notion will automatically create a list with an interactive list where I can tick off my tasks and amend them as needed. Obviously, I will discard it for now. Or I can directly use my voice to write. But in this case, I will be showing you how to manually insert some of the useful functions in Notions. First, what I like to do is to click a divider. When you click the plus button, once you try to type, there is a plus button and you can choose from a variety of functions, from the simplest ones to even connecting to different platforms and tools. For this purpose, I will choose the divider, which will just add a line under the title. And I will choose to create 3 columns. This way I can create 3 functions into the first space of the page. In order to put 3 columns, you would need to go down until you find the columns functions. I can choose 3, for example. And this way, when you hover over the columns, you will see that there are 3 interactive spaces. Now, for the purpose of showing, we can create a to-do list from scratch. So from here, for example, we can create a 2-day tasks type of thing. Once you write something, you can always customize it. So you can put it like bold, choose the text color or background. You can do it this way for the time being. And under it, you can create anything you like from a to-do list. For example, cook dinner, workout, meditation, or another useful function for text-based functionalities is a toggle list. Here, it would allow you to have a main thing, for example, cook, and under it, you click the arrow and you would just have, for example, dinner lunch, breakfast, and you would be able to hide them if you don't want to click on them. And this can all be turned into to-do lists if you click on this dots here, and then in turn into to-do list, and it will become a to-do list. And once you click on it, you can cross it out. So it's very intuitive and it's very useful. Now I will hide this. Then the second function that we can have is to create pages within the page. This is very useful, especially if you want to have multiple areas that you would like to manage through Notion. For example, we can create a page to record our meals. So once you set a page, it will create a link to an existing page, and I would suggest to click on the three dots, open in SitePeek, so that every time that you want to amend something on this page, you will still remain on this page, but you will visualize the meals page on the right side this way. And from here, you can still amend everything, but still have the home page open, which is really useful. So this page will work exactly the same way as the main, but it will be linked to the main one. So you can add an icon, in this case, like something related to food. Cover, again, something related to food, for example, here. Yes. And from here, there is a possibility to create either tables or to-do lists or databases. For this purpose, I will show you how to create a simple gallery database that is useful for this case. You can expand the page to work on it better, make it a full width the same way we did from the home page, and do the same thing. So we would click on the plus button and include a database of our choice. In this case, the gallery view would be the one with the best visual. So the gallery view database will appear this way, and we can customize it entirely. So first, you can give a title to your database. In this case, there is already a title of the page, so I usually hide it. And every single block can be customized. For example, first block can be breakfast, and you can create a whole similar to a new page, but only related to this. And here you will be able to put all your details. For example, you can have a toggle list with Monday. And on Monday, you will unhide, for example, eggs and ham. And then Monday, you will have Tuesday. With Tuesday, you will have cappuccino. And then after Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So this is how it will appear. Once you amended it, you click away, and you will have the breakfast section. Then you can create the lunch section in the exact same way. You would amend it here, and here you would choose to put whatever you like. In the exact same way. And the cool thing is that it gives you a sort of like overview of what's on the page. And also here you can choose to visualize it as a SitePeek by clicking on the three dots, open in SitePeek, so that you can amend it the same way. And here you have all your meals prepared and planned. Then you can go back to your daily page and have this all always linked. In the third column, you can, for example, have a different type of database, for example, a calendar. A calendar will work the same way as the gallery database, in the sense that you would create items internally that will work as existing pages. and you can amend them as needed, as well as adjusting the visuals of the columns the way you need. So in this case, we can create, for example, an event on the 3rd of September, which is breakfast with mom with any type of emoji, and you would have here breakfast with mom. You can move it however you like, you can extend it however you like, and you can have a beautiful dashboard with everything included. This is just how to create a basic dashboard with very useful functionalities for personal life or to choose from templates.